Hello and welcome to World Travel Slideshow. This clip is about Saint Lucia, a lovely island in the Eastern Caribbean. Visitors come to cities like Soufrière and Castries to enjoy typical Caribbean scenery. Saint Lucia is a very green island. The Pitons, two volcanic mountain peaks, are a symbol of the island. Of course, Saint Lucia has some lovely beaches and clear waters, perfect for snorkeling and scuba diving. You'll have great encounters with beautiful marine life. And above water, Saint Lucia's nature is beautiful too. In the past, Saint Lucia had many cocoa plantations. Some of them you can visit today. And sugar plantations. We stayed in this lovely cottage on a former sugar plantation. The industrial remnants are being reclaimed by nature. One of the friendly employees of the estate prepared a fresh coconut for us. Are you ready to visit lovely Saint Lucia? Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks a lot. For more presentations, please visit our YouTube channels, Thailand Travel Slideshow and Asia Travel Slideshow. Thank you.